Hi there, this is Justin Turner presenting my week 10 coding assignment for the backend bootcamp with Promeneo Tech. Let me share my screen with you. Okay, this week we were tasked with adding the ability in our menu-driven application to list all the projects available and to have a selected project. So I'm going to run this from the beginning here. Run. Okay, let's bring up this here so we can see there's going to be a lot of output printed to the console, so I want to be able to see it all. Okay, so first things first, one of the options we had to implement was the ability to list all projects as one of the selections for the user. So that's number 2 right here. Okay, and here we can see the project list. I have 2 projects in my database right now. Okay, the other thing that we had to implement was the ability to select a project. So here we go. So I'm going to use option 3, select a project. Okay, and then it prompts me to select a project from the above list by entering its ID. We'll pick the IKEA baby chair, why not? Okay, one thing that the kind of instructions asked us to do was print all the fields in whatever the selected project is to the terminal kind of as soon as we selected it. And also down here, the currently selected project is, that line would have printed all the fields of the selected project. So I didn't want to do that because that tended to really crowd the terminal. And there's this prompt, enter the number of one of the above menu items to continue. But then there was like a whole mess of project fields in between that prompt and the place where the user could see all the options. So what I did was I outsourced it to another menu item, the viewing of project details right here. So as long as there's a project selected, you can just press 4 here, and then it prints all the fields in the project to the terminal there. Okay, let's say we didn't have anything selected. So I'm going to restart basically, because we don't have functionality to deselect a project yet. So I'm going to I'm not going to select a project. First off, I'm going to just say for view selected project details, and it says you currently have no project selected. Press 4 at the main menu to select a project. So I implemented that. Okay, let's say we went to go select a project. So press 3. And we have these 2 project IDs here, 1 and 2. Let's say I'm a particularly foolish user and I put 0. It's going to throw a no such element exception right here. Okay, I believe that's everything that I had to display here for you. So thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.